A is for apple. A apple. B is for boy. Boy. C is for candle. Ka candle. D is for dog. Da dog. E is for eagle. A eagle. F is for fan. Fa fan. G is for grapes. Ga grapes. H is for horse. Ha horse. I is for eyes. E eyes. J is for jelly. Jelly. K is for kite. K kite. L is for lemon. Lemon. M is for monkey. Monkey. N is for nest. Nest. O is for octopus. Octopus. P is for parrot. Parrot. Q is for queen. Queen. R is for rabbit. Rabbit. S is for sun. Sun. T is for tiger. Tiger. U is for umbrella. Umbrella. V is for vase. Vase. W is for watermelon. Watermelon. X is for xylophone. Xylophone. Y is for yak. Yak. Z is for zebra. Zebra.